Hello everyone, it's Chris. I want to do an overview on InstaBuilder. There is going to be a link below this video for InstaBuilder where you can grab it and basically install it. Now, if you already have a landing page builder or something you're already comfortable with, then definitely use that. There's no need to go out and get extra stuff you don't need, or if you already have InstaBuilder, then great. But for those that are new or don't have anything, I do recommend InstaBuilder because there's no monthly fee. It's a one-time cost, which is really nice. There's an unlimited license package that you can grab, which is actually what I have, and that lets you put it on as many sites. I actually use InstaBuilder. I personally use InstaBuilder on across about 7 different websites. So here's kind of an overview. Here's how you install it. So here's what you need. Let's talk about that. You're going to need a domain and hosting with WordPress, obviously. And you're just going to go to the plugin tab and upload the zip file. So I'm assuming the first step is to obviously get InstaBuilder, and you're going to get a zip file, and then you're going to come over here to the plugins tab in your WordPress, and you're just going to click Add New. I'm assuming you guys know how to do this already, so I'm just going to briefly go over it. And then you're just going to click on Upload Plugin, and you're going to upload it just like you would, any type of plugin, and that's it. All right, so that should work for you. I'm going to go back over here to the dashboard and kind of give you an overview. InstaBuilder lets you build pages really, really quick. You can duplicate. So a good example is you already have a page down here duplicated. You just come over here, click that, and click duplicate. So you can make copies of your pages rather quickly. I'm going to go ahead and do a new page. You have some templates that you can choose from, and there's even some categories like text sales, video sales, especially if you're doing like BizOp and things like that. Those are some really great things that InstaBuilder offers. So there's a lot of templates that you can choose from, a lot of different designs, layout styles. I recommend if you're new picking a template and getting used to it because that already has the layout for you. When you get a little bit better and you get more comfortable with it, then you can start creating from scratch. That's a little bit more customizable. You can create your pages, but template is in what I consider a quick start. You just choose the template and then you get started. So pick something that works for your product or service. So for example, let's just go with this one right here, choose. You can preview it as well before you choose it. Okay, and give it just a minute to load. And that's it. Then you would change your logo out. I'll kind of do an overview of it. Some of the things you're going to want to change first is your permalink and what a permalink is. So like our domain would be cpamastersacademy.com/, free ebook. That's your permalink. By default, it's going to put something like this one is /arrow opt-in blue. I don't really like that because you don't need 100 different domains for every offer. You can have one generic domain like your consumer, your number one consumer search.com or whatever, right? /skincare /books /ebook, whatever you're promoting. So you can just name this what you want. So name this what you want, and then you'll just click OK there. So very simple. And then you click close. And then you have to make sure you hit publish when you're done too. Save and publish. So I'm going to just do a couple of quick things with it here. Here's your logo. Anytime you want to edit something in InstaBuilder, you just click on the element and then there's this little settings icon, edit configuration. You can duplicate it, which is the 2 little pieces of paper right here. That's to left position, center, right. Then you have a little hotspot and a little delete button as well. So hotspot, you can kind of track and see where your users are clicking, etc. So a lot of different things there. Here I'll change it out. I'll just go to upload, and it's just so easy to use. You'd upload your files. I probably already have some in here. So here's our logo. We'll just use that, and then you just resize it, just like you would with anything. So you just drag it to how you want it to look. Okay, so all customizable like this, and then the text, you just click on it, and then you can type anything you want. So that's the basics of the InstaBuilder. You get the idea. For an opt-in form, same thing. You'd go to settings, and you just put in your opt-in form HTML code and click process. Everything over here is on the left. I'll let you guys kind of go through that, but there's basically text elements, video elements, things you want to add, navigation. When it's all said and done and your page is ready to go, you click save and publish. InstaBuilder also has some great tutorials as well. If you want to get more in depth than what I'm teaching you, just go to the InstaBuilder, and they have some great go to the Instabuilder back office, and they have some great training as well. So give it a second just to save and publish. When it is published, you'll be able to view your page. So here's my page finished. Let's go over to it in a new tab. Give it just a minute to load. Oh, all right, there it is. Perfect. All right, that's kind of an overview of Instabuilder. So the link is below. If you already have something that you're comfortable with, use that. Or if you already have Instabuilder, then great.